about this. Tanya's absolutely amazing. Tanya is a very, very talented ventriloquist. Please make sure you go fab Tanya. Give her some love and support, everybody. Here she is, everybody. Here's Princess Tanya.
I can tell she loves to go. She's all out of control. She can't stop. Designer clothes, jewels, hair. She's throwing money everywhere. My head is spinning. Oh, 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 oh. She's a princess. She's a princess. Modern day princess.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a nice breakfast before we go down to the seaside. Right, bro? Say hi to Christian. Say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. See you later, guys. Hi guys, we're at the train station and we're going to the seaside. Our favourite place, Southend-on-Sea. Where are we going?
Yeah, Southend-on-Sea.
Say hi to Christian.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hi guys, we're on the train to the seaside.
This is Whitechapel.
Ooh, Whitechapel.
This is a District Line train.
Hi guys, we're on the train to the seaside. Oh yeah, on the train. Oh yeah. Hi guys, we're at Southend today. Southend. We're at the seaside. We're at the seaside today. We're at the seaside. What? Hi guys, today we've come to sunny Southend-on-Sea. Southend-on-Sea. Hi guys, we're at Southend, at the seaside. I parked my car here. Let's go. Has been winding for you. Where? Oh, look at that. Casino, bar, music, food and poker. Oh yeah. Beach, where? Another elephant. I think we're just on a shortcut. Bro. I'm going this way. I think we just did a shortcut. Oh, look at that. I've never been down there. I'm going down there. No, down there, look.
We've been there.
Stop being silly.
Are you stupid?
Down there, there's an island. In the middle of the sea, look. Zoom in. Look, down there. See? Down there in the middle of the sea.
Oh, you mean that long way to that boat?
Yeah. Are you sure? Whoa, careful. Careful, that is slippy. I don't want to. Wait in a minute.
Oh, you could go down there.
I'm still zoomed in, aren't I? Look at them dark clouds. Hi guys, we want some tickets. 800. All these tickets we want. We're in the arcade at the seaside. The big arcade. We're coming up to 1,000 tickets. 1,000! Hi guys, we are at Southend-on-Sea. Just won some prizes and now we're going to the beach. Hi guys, we're on the pier train. We have this whole cabin for ourselves. That's Tristan's cabin. Say hi to Christian.
Hi.
Say, oh yeah. That's Tristan's cabin, and this is my cabin right here. Cool. Hi guys, we're on the train. Nobody's driving. We're going to the sea. Wow. Train goes into the sea.
The sea. See what's up.
We're in the sea. Wow. This little train costs £9 to go on it. Can't walk. Can't be able to walk. Sorry about that. How far does this train go, man? How far are we going? What the hell? Wow. I would like to walk all this way. You know, this train, 20 minutes. And we're in the middle of the ocean. Going to land. We've made it across the river. Look at that. On a train. That was good, wasn't it, bro?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that? Right, let's go and explore. Explore. Let's go and explore. Oh my god, I feel right weird standing on here. Let's go and explore what is down the pier. Don't know. Let's explore. Battery's gonna go in a minute. We're at the fish and chips. Let's get some fish and chips. Hi guys, we are on the pier in the middle of the sea. Say hi to Christian.
Hello.
Oh yeah! Look at this. Woo! You look down there, you can see there's some sort of facility there. Where you can put kids to work and they stay here. Nothing, bro. I'm just saying we're going to sit here a minute. We made it. That's how far it is. 1.33 miles at the end of the pier. We made it to the end of the pier. Or did we? Oh, what's this place? Everybody's sitting out here. You think they're on the Titanic or something. It's not a boat, mate, it's a pier. Oh, look at this big place.
What is going on here? We having the paparazzi. I don't know who's phone that is.
Oh, that was good. Let's go. We're going to the wheel. Guys, we got our ticket for the big wheel. Got our ticket. Woo. £7 for the big wheel. It's better than London Eye. Let's go. Hi guys, we're on the big wheel. Look at this. There we go. We're going up. We're going up. Are we going on? We're going on the big wheel, guys. Say hi to Christian.
Hi, Christian.
Oh yeah, we're on the big wheel.
Oh no.
And we stop.
There's another one over there.
What?
Yeah, over there.
Another wheel?
Yeah, over there.
How big is it?
Not as big.
Gotta stay. You gotta stay thing.
Seated.
Oh, that's just a little one. I'll I'll do a video when we get right to the top. Hi guys, we're on the wheel with Tristan.
I don't like it. It's
and
dope.
It's
Oh look, there's a smaller one over there.
it's pretty cool.
So we got.
Hi guys, we're coming back from the seaside.
Speak to you soon.
Good night, Tristan.
She's a princess, modern day princess.